In my lines, you cannot like the teacher. Alright, everybody, Yaurana, let's start and go. Yaurana. Everyone inhale up and exhale down. Two more times. Inhale up, exhale down. And one last time. Inhale up and exhale down. Awesome. Hands to the side. Let me make small circle. Go one deep and reverse. And big circle forward and backwards. Alright, one forward and one backwards. And reverse. And side to side. Two last time. Awesome, ladies. Let's get moving. Some of you just told me that she was feeling very sleepy lately. So, moving is number one. Number two is eating and drinking. And last is sleeping and vitamin D, okay? Big circle. Lisa is back from number three. Hi, Lisa. Last one. Woo! Yes, and tap. Tap. 2, 3, 4. I'm getting too excited. Maybe it's not going to be as easy as I said at the beginning. And push. Two last time. There we go, ladies. Awesome. And walk to the front. And sway those hips. In back. And roll. In front. Front. And sway. Back. And roll. Last two. In front. Come on, go to the front. Back. Woo! We get this. Last one. And go. Yes, super ladies. Are we ready? Rolling. Stepping. Step. Yes. Push, push. Yes, some people are on Polynesian so that is in Taiwan again. Last two. Switch. 2, 3, 4. Push front. Don't move your upper body. Let's go. Switch. 2, 3, 4. Push front. Awesome. And tap. Tap. Woo. Ready to go. Okay, push. Push up. Up. In front. In front. Yes. Last one, everybody. Are you ready? Go to the front. The front. In front. In front. Oh, and go. In sway. In back. In back. In roll. All right. Inhale. Two more times. Inhale. Yes, everyone. Okay, so the steps for today. Bend your knees, back straight, and smile. Yes, okay. There we go. Toma. Push. Push. Thumb out. Right, left, right, left. Okay, toma. Push. jump, okay? Faraku, the last move is faraku. Okay, very fast. Yes. Alright? Alright, so this steps. Remember, bend your knees back straight and we go toma, push to the right, toma, push to the left. Tamau, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? We go toma, toma, clap, tamau, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. Toma, toma, tamau, 2, 3, 4. Toma. Are we getting this stuff? 2, 3, 4. Okay? From here, ami, we go like this. Hop. Ami, 2 circle to the right, open, circle to the right, close, circle to the right. Okay? 2 circle to the left. This is your left. And then left and left. Very good. Okay? Next step. What was next step? Next step. What is next step?
Is that
Ruru first. Here. Ruru. Okay, Ruru. From here, we leg straight, tremble. Okay, and you're going to stay like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try not to move anything here. 1, 2, 3, and look happy. Yes, Rosemary. Okay, and then from here, amaha. Amaha, varu right, varu left. Amaha, varu left, varu right. Amaha, varu right, varu left. Amaha, varu left, varu right. Okay or not? 2A, face here. You go this side, right foot forward. Wave your body. Wave your body. Switch this side, left foot forward. Wave. Yes. Do whatever you can do. Yes. And then stay farapu. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go. Woo. Bend your knees back straight. Ready and we go. Right, left, clap. In 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, clap. 1, 2, 3. Back together. Right, left, clap. 1, 2, 3. Ami. Right, 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 right. Left, 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 left. Okay, faster. Left, right, 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 right. Left, 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 left. Right, 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 right. Left, left, left. Ooh. Triangle, legs straight. Here, go. In 1. Come on, daddy, push. 2, 3, 4. Smile. 5. I have to trouble to talk and do this. Okay, there we go. 1. Value. Twist. Go. 1. Value. Twist. Again. 1. Value. Twist. Go. 1. Value. Twist. 2 more. Can you go? Push. Go. Twist. And then push the feet. Twist. Last one. 1. This is the easiest I think. Go. 2. Yes. Twist. Go. 1. 2. In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Roll fast. Go. 1. 2. Go. In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go. In 1, 2. Go. In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last one. 1. 2. Go. In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From the top. Right. Left. In 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Left. exhale. Shh. Yes, give yourself